let's go ahead and now do exercise 7. Exercise 7 in many ways is very, very similar to exercise 5 that we saw earlier, whereby we're essentially going to take the existing implementations for integers. We're going to do it for strings. I'm going to enter 3 strings, and then we're going to order them. So effectively, because the way that we've written the code, we just have to change this to string. Really, this is standard string. We want to actually include the string library as well for safety. And then we want to do is same thing here. And now this really should just work. So let's go ahead and examine this. We'll go ahead and run it. Actually, let me cancel this over here. I'm going to cancel this. One small tweak, please enter 3 strings separated by a space. Okay, and now let's go ahead and run the code. And we'll enter this 3 strings just as the book suggests: Steinbeck, Hemingway, and Fitzgerald. And let's see what we get. We get Fitzgerald, Hemingway, and Steinbeck. And let's just do one more. Let's enter them maybe slightly different order. Let's enter book, library, and let's see, Apple, and we should get Apple, book, and library. And then one final one, we'll have 2 of the same ones, just like the other examples. We'll have Apple, book, and Apple. We should get Apple, Apple, book. Yep, we do that. And finally, just one more to make sure that we're all good. We'll do book, book, and book, and we should get book, book, book. Okay, great. So we can see that it all works and functions as expected without really any major changes, because the logic is consistent whether you're dealing with integers or whether you're dealing with strings. The comparison process is effectively the same. Okay, this is good enough. Let's ship it.